back, 1 second.
You just turn it down. You need to turn it down. You need to turn it down. Well, I can't help it. We're trying to sleep.
Still, I don't know that make you want to get I don't need that. Oh, they're gonna make fun of me.
Oh, chance. You just know, you just got a rope around your own neck.
No, I didn't know.
Yeah, you did.
You want to know what they're doing?
You telling me to leave?
No.
That's what you just did.
No, I'm telling you this. I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
Yes, sir.
Mom, I'm not trying to... Mom, I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
Go away.
No, I'm going to explain something to you.
You don't need to explain.
Yes, I do. You need to stop. You need to fucking listen to me. I'm trying to explain something to you.
No.
Yes, you do, Mom. No, you need to fucking listen to me for once.
You told me to leave
because they're gonna make fun of me.
Oh well.
No, not oh well. I'm tired of being made fun of. I'm sick of being attacked. Whatever. You don't get it, do you, Mom? You really don't fuck that. That's not my fault.
You don't want anything to know. Just go. Go up there and go.
You think I want to be
Go upstairs and leave it alone.
fine, you know what? I'll leave my shit and do what you fucking want.
That's not what I asked for. I asked you to tone it down.
No, you don't want me to fucking do it. That's it.
Oh, bullshit.
No, admit it, Mom. You don't want me to do it.
I just want to turn
Well,
you down.
that's what I fucking can't. As much as I wish I could, I can't. I don't
Just go on. Let's go to sleep. The best way we know how. Go!
You know, I wish you understood my situation.
Go!
You know what? I'll fucking end the live stream. I'll do it, and I'll be fucking right like everybody fucking wants me to do. And I'll do my
How the hell are you live streaming shit?
off my phone. Trying to see how much setup I know how to fucking use. Because I don't have a regular fucking computer. Hey, I'm not doing anything wrong. All I'm doing is running around goddamn fucking business. Hey, so what? You don't fucking believe me? You think I'm a liar like everyone else does? Yeah, you did, obviously. That's basically what you're just saying. You know, whatever. I'll just do my shit and say fuck y'all, and I'll be fucking homeless when you can. No, that's what you're wanting. Yes, Mom, it is. Yes, Mom, it is. And then, Mom, you don't want me to make your money doing what I love off of YouTube. Why don't you fuck
here?
Yeah, you do. You say you don't care, but if you didn't care, you wouldn't be sitting there jumping down my throat when I'm trying to use the only setup that I know how to fucking use right now. Because of what like I said, Mom, if one of them didn't fuck up my shit, if they didn't do what they fucking did to my computer, I'd be able to be a lot quieter than what I am. A lot quieter. But because of them, I can't. As much as I wish I could. That's not my fault. You cannot lay the blame on me.
Man, it's not good here.
Well, why don't you freaking listen for once and try to be a little bit more understanding? Especially given my situation. I didn't put myself in this situation. Those assholes did.